Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this cute Pusheen design for Halloween. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer pink. For Vampire Pusheen, use gray to make the shape of the head at your cuticle. Before filling the head in, use a purple polish to make the cape. Once you've made the basic shape of the cape, go ahead and fill it in with purple and then fill in the head with gray. Add 3 darker gray stripes between Pusheen's ears. Outline everything with black. Keep using black to add Pusheen's mouth, eyes, eyebrows, and whiskers. Use white to add some little vampire fangs and then seal in your design with the top coat. For Ghost Pusheen, first make the cat shape with white. Add a pointed white tail above the head. Outline everything with black. Keep using black to make the face and the whiskers. Add a pink dot to the inside of the mouth and then seal in your design with the top coat. For Witch Pusheen, you'll want to start off with a basic gray cat base. Once the gray is dry, use a light purple polish to make a horizontal line right underneath Pusheen's ears. This is going to be the brim of the hat. Fill in between Pusheen's ears with a light yellow and then use the same purple as before to make the pointed witch's hat. Outline everything with black. Keep using black to make the face and the whiskers. Seal in your design with the top coat. For Frankenstein Pusheen, start with a green cat base. Add 3 purple stripes between the ears. Outline everything in black, including the bottom edge. Make the facial features using black, this time giving Pusheen a triangular mouth. Finish it off by adding a couple stitches to Pusheen's neck, sealing your design with the top coat. Finally, for Pumpkin Pusheen, start off with a gray cat base again, but leave a little bit of space near the cuticle. You'll want to fill in that little bit of space with orange to make the pumpkin costume. Add a little orange semicircle for the hat and then top it off with a little green stem. Add 3 darker gray dots below the hat. Outline everything with black. Keep using black to add some details to the pumpkin and for the facial features. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy Halloween!